How to delete a Discord server. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to delete a Discord server. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now you can see that I am on my PC or computer. So in order to delete the Discord server, I just need to click on that server. So if you don't own it, what you can do is to click on this line right here and click on this leave server. So click on leave server right here and click on this button again. And as you can see, just click on X right here. As you can see, we have already left this server. So if you actually own the server, so for example, this server right here, so what you can do is to just click on this again. And then from in there, you can see this server settings. So click on server settings right there. And from in there, from the overview, just you see to scroll down and you actually will see the leave or delete server. So in here you can see this delete server. So click on delete server right here. And from in here you just need to enter in the server name. So the server name, let's put in here. The server name is tester. So click on delete server right here. And it will actually load for a while. And as you can see, we have now successfully deleted that server. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete a server on Discord PC. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!